The all-new 2019 Forester lineup, which commences from $33,490 before on-street costs. The fifth-age Forester is featured by an intensely overhauled motor and transmission, upgraded driver help advancements, new infotainment frameworks, progressively inside space, and another glimpse all around. The lodge is vaporous and large, and there's a lot of legroom all around. There's not as much headroom in the back since the back seat is mounted rather high. All-around perceivability is great, on account of thin rooftop columns and expansive windows. Most controls are instinctive, yet spinning through the upper showcase screen's menus can be repetitive. A standard touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto usefulness puts forth a solid esteem expression. This is additionally valid for the eyesight security framework, which is incorporated on each Forester. Tragically, a vulnerable side screen isn't accessible until about most of the way up the trim stepping stool.
Yeah.